Hey everybody, I'm just going to make a quick video on how to change devices in Zoom and in Screencast-O-Matic for when you buy an external device to help you with your sound or anything else like that. So anyways, let's start with Zoom. And so we're going to open up here. I'm going to go into Zoom. And I'm going to start a meeting. I'm going to start with video off because my camera's already being used for something else, and so it's not going to like that. If I had two cameras, then I could have them both running at the same time, but I only have one connected to this computer. So, okay, so now we're in Zoom. And down here in the bottom left corner, you're going to see your microphone and video. If you click on the little up arrow right here, you can click on audio settings. And this is where all of your different settings to test your microphone, your volume levels, what your speaker volume is going to be. And of course you have your little thing right here that you can click on. Now, this is my default one, and this is what it was before I changed it. But I plugged in a device, and the device I plugged in is this one right here. It's a USB microphone. It's called a Kiln, but it's just the brand. That, I mean, any USB microphone should work. I have a link below of what this particular one I've been using. I've tried this one on multiple Dells, and it works really well. So it's one I would suggest. But anyways, select the device, and now your computer's using it. Now, there's a quicker way to do it if you don't need to mess with all the other audio settings that are in there. You can just click on your little up arrow right here, and you can see you can just switch back and forth. And so if I want to use my internal mic, I can click that one, or I can just click this once I've plugged in my device and click on that, and bam, now it's using my external microphone. Anyways, the same thing works for Screencast-O-Matic. So if I'm in Screencast-O-Matic, and this is, you'll see that it's very similar. For most programs, it's going to be very similar to what I'm doing here. So I'm recording, and oh, you know what? I'm going to have to record that differently because it's not going to be able to see it. Anyways, you'll come down the bottom left corner. You're going to have your little record button, and next to it, you'll have a little settings button. You click on the settings, and there's a little microphone right there, and you click on that, and it'll have the microphone. I'll have to use a different program to record that to show that to you. But anyways, I hope that helps. Let me know if you guys have